Your home smells weird, and you don't know why. Maybe it's the kitchen, maybe it's the bathroom, or maybe it's just stale air. And here's the kicker. That same air, it's full of toxins you can't even see. But what if I told you there are 7 plants that fix both problems at once? They remove bad smells and purify your air naturally. No sprays, no plugins, no chemicals. Stick around because number 5 is sitting in NASA's research facility right now, and number 7 works while you sleep. If you want a cleaner, fresher home without spending a fortune, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. Plant number 1, snake plant. First up, the snake plant, also called mother-in-law's tongue. And trust me, it's as tough as that name suggests. Here's what it does. It converts CO2 into oxygen at night. Most plants do this during the day, but this one works the night shift. That means cleaner air while you sleep. It also absorbs toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, chemicals found in cleaning products, toilet paper, and tissues. It neutralizes airborne allergens and musty odors, perfect for bedrooms or bathrooms. Basically indestructible. Water it once every 2 to 3 weeks. It thrives on neglect. Low light? No problem. Forget to water it? It doesn't care. Put one in your bedroom. You'll wake up to fresher air. One snake plant can purify a 10 by 10 room. Want a bigger space? Get 2 or 3. Plant number 2, peace lily. This one's a powerhouse. NASA tested this plant and found it removes ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. That's basically every toxic chemical in your home. Where do these come from? Furniture, paint, cleaning products, even your carpet. Peace lilies absorb mold spores through their leaves, so if you've got that damp, musty smell in your bathroom or basement, this plant eats it for breakfast. It produces beautiful white flowers, so it looks good and works hard. It loves shade. Water it once a week. Here's the trick. It'll droop when it's thirsty. Water it, and within hours, it perks back up. It literally tells you when it needs water. Warning, toxic to pets. Keep it out of reach if you have cats or dogs. Best spots? Bathroom, laundry room, or any space that gets humid and smelly. Plant number 3, spider plant. This one's a fast grower. You'll see results in weeks, not months. What it removes? Carbon monoxide and xylene. Xylene comes from exhaust fumes, paint, and cigarette smoke. If someone in your house smokes or you live near traffic, you need this plant. It filters out cigarette smoke and lingering kitchen smells. Garlic, onions, burnt food, gone. The cool part, it produces baby plants called spiderettes. You can cut them off and plant them. One plant turns into 10. Free plants forever. Care? Water once a week. It likes bright, indirect light, but tolerates almost anything. Hang it in your kitchen. It'll tackle cooking odors while looking great. And here's the thing, it's pet safe. Cats actually love chewing on it. Won't hurt them. Plant number 4, bamboo palm. This one's for serious air purification. It's one of the best plants for removing formaldehyde, and formaldehyde is everywhere. New furniture, carpets, grocery bags, even your shampoo. Smell factor? It humidifies the air naturally. Dry air makes smells worse. This plant adds moisture back in, which neutralizes odors faster. It's especially good against cigarette smoke and chemical fumes. Size matters. This plant can grow 6 to 12 feet tall indoors. It's not for tiny apartments, but if you've got the space, it's a game changer. Care? It needs bright, indirect light. Water it regularly. Keep the soil moist but not soaking. Best placement? Living room or any large open space. It acts like a natural air filter for the whole area. One bamboo palm can purify 100 square feet. Do the math for your home. Plant number 5, Boston fern. NASA called this one of the best air purifying plants on Earth. What makes it special? It removes formaldehyde better than almost any other plant. It also filters out xylene and toluene, toxins from nail polish, glue, and paint. Odor removal? It acts as a natural humidifier. It releases moisture into the air, which helps neutralize pet odors, smoke, and cooking smells. Here's the science. Dry air holds on to odor molecules. Humid air breaks them down faster. This plant makes your air humid naturally. The downside is it's high maintenance. It needs consistent moisture and humidity. If you live somewhere dry, mist it daily or put it in your bathroom where humidity is high. Care tip: water it frequently. Check the soil daily. If it dries out, the leaves turn brown fast. Best spot: bathroom or kitchen, anywhere with natural humidity. Number 6. Aloe Vera. You know it for burns and skincare, but it's an air-cleaning beast. What it removes? Formaldehyde and benzene. These come from chemical cleaners, detergents, and varnishes. Smell control? Aloe vera doesn't just mask smells, it removes the pollutants causing them. Chemical smells from cleaning, gone. The bonus feature: when air quality drops, the leaves develop brown spots. It's like a living air quality monitor. Your plant literally tells you when your air is bad. Care? This plant loves sunlight. Put it on a windowsill. Water it every 2 to 3 weeks. It stores water in its leaves, so overwatering kills it. Pro tip: keep one in your kitchen. It handles cooking fumes, and you've got fresh aloe gel whenever you need it. Cut a leaf, squeeze out the gel. Boom! Natural remedy for burns and skin irritation. Number 7. Lavender. This is the ultimate smell removal plant. Here's why it's powerful. Lavender doesn't just purify air, it replaces bad smells with a natural, calming scent. No artificial fragrances, just pure plant power. What it does? It removes airborne bacteria and allergens. Studies show it reduces stress and improves sleep quality, so it cleans your air and helps you relax. Odor removal? Pet smells, bathroom odors, musty closets? Lavender handles all of it. The natural oils in the leaves neutralize bad smells on contact. Care? Lavender needs lots of sunlight, 6 to 8 hours a day. Water it sparingly. It hates wet soil. Let it dry out between waterings. Indoor tip: keep it near a south-facing window or grow it in a pot on your balcony and bring it inside at night. The secret: rub the leaves occasionally. It releases the oils and boosts the scent. Your whole room will smell fresh instantly. Best spots? Bedroom for better sleep, bathroom for natural freshness, or anywhere you want a spa-like atmosphere. Bonus tips. Okay, here's how to maximize these plants. Tip 1. Quantity matters. One plant won't transform your home. NASA recommends 1 plant per 100 square feet. So for a 1,000 square foot home, you need about 10 plants. Tip 2. Strategic placement. Put snake plants in bedrooms, peace lilies in bathrooms, spider plants in kitchens. Match the plant to the problem area. Tip 3. Clean the leaves. Dust blocks pores. Wipe leaves with a damp cloth monthly. Clean leaves, better air purification. Tip 4. Group them. Plants work better together. Create clusters in high traffic areas. Living room, bedroom, kitchen. These need the most help. Tip 5. Start small. Don't buy all 7 at once. Start with 2 or 3 easy ones, like snake plant and spider plant. Build from there. And remember, these plants work 24/7. No electricity, no filters to replace. Just water, light, and time. So there you have it. 7 plants that clean your air and remove bad smells naturally. No more expensive air purifiers, no more toxic sprays, just simple, powerful plants doing what they do best. Here's my challenge. Pick 1 plant from this list. Buy it this week. Put it in the room that needs it most. You'll notice the difference in days. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more simple solutions to everyday problems. And drop a comment. Which plant are you getting first? I'll reply to every single one. Thanks for watching. Breathe easy, and I'll see you in the next one.